Hello and welcome back to Game Pass Games in 30. Today we're doing the Blizzard, Blizzard Arcade, I think it's called. The Blizzard Arcade Collection. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 games. So I thought rather than doing like 30 minutes and trying to figure out the maps, we're just going to do 5 minutes per game. So we're going to do 5 minutes on RPM, we're going to do 5 minutes on the Lost Viking, 5 minutes on Rock and Roll Racing, 5 minutes on Blackthorn, and 5 minutes on Lost Viking 2. So I'm going to get my timer started. The second we start the game, 5 minutes starts. Let's jump in. So it's, is that Rapid Psycho Machine Racing? Right. And how we go. Let's go with this. Oh. Okay. Leveled up. Gonna go for a race now? Is it A to go? A to go. Okay. Go! Get her going! Race! Bad right. No, I fell off the edge. No. Lap 2. Bad right. We got a long straight ahead of us. We got a hard right again. Oh, right. We got a hard left. We got a hard right. No, I died. Pace. Lap 1. Right. Left. Right again. Long straight. Go. Shit. I'm gonna come last. I'm not. Hard right. Hard left. And I cross the line. Become third. Time. Let's start this one. Okay, let's go. So we've got a hard right and then a hard left. Left. Left again. Right. Oh. Right. No, I'm dead. Right. We'll at least do a lap of this before our 5-minute timer runs out. That's our 5-minute timer. For that game. Wait, let it back up. So I'll restart the timer. What is next on the list? Next on the list is Blackthorn. Definitive Edition? The Definitive Edition. Blizzard Arcane. Blackthorn. Game. Figure out the rules when we're in there. Sublet keep deep in the heart of the tool. How do you jump? Okay, I think I've messed up. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's start the timer. Gun comes out. There we go. Okay, so I just have to press up. Oh. Get rid of them too. Don't know if that was necessary, but we did it. You. Ah. Wise throw bomb. Laugh at me. How dare you? Laughing at me. What's he think he's doing? We continue on this way? Can. Okay, so they're friendly. So I've been shooting people who are friendly. Perfect. Left. Let that open. Password FBWC. Yeah, FBWC. Over here? Nope. Keep going. Turn around. Get done. Let's check over here. Okay, it looks like we've got something down here, maybe? A death. Okay. There's bombs. Oh. That is actually our time to end this. End that run. Why wouldn't that stop? But it's fine. Can we reopen it? Sorry, give me 1 second. My timer's messed up, but it's fine. We can do another timer that won't mess up. So next on the list for the 5 minutes. Wait, did I mess up? We'll do the Lost Viking Definitive Edition. Yeah. Lost Viking. My name is Urk the Swift and can run like the wind. Me to just skip that. Guys, I have a bad feeling about this. Okay, set the timer. Wrong. All of us must reach the exit to escape. So you'll have to reach the exit. Okay. I understand now. Shit. Already failed, so already failed. We've all got to make the exit. You can get hints if you stand by these blocks and press B. Cool. Next part. To select the item, press that button, yeah. Why? That's something you have to deal with. There's two things that guy's got to deal with. Okay, let's let him deal with it. Awful happy. What are you? Right, so he's just chilling. We've stand in the elevator. Cool. Perfect. Cool. There's no down arrow, is there? Okay. Go all the way over. can shoot it. See? That is also our 5 minutes for that part anyway, so we can quit and reload the game. Okay, so let's look at the games we have done. So we've tried, haven't tried. So we've got Rock and Roll Racing and Vikings 2 to go.
Chem 6.
Buy equipment. 40 grand for a new one of them. 14 grand for a new rocket. 6 grand for a new jump. Advance a level. Need 1400 points to advance a level. What's this? Buy a new car. Get it going. we have 2,600. What was the new engine cost? 40 grand. We get new skin. No, we're going to do an upgrade on the skin for more hull.
Start your engines! Snake fades in the left. Shred is dominating the race. Today's race is brought to you by Vera Fireblood's Dark Iron Ale, the pride of Dun Marone. Rip is headed the wrong way. Viper fades in the last. Shred jams into first. Viper looks lost out there.
Go, lads.
Snake is dominating the race.
Yeah, I am.
Powers up.
I'm going to finish this race, and that'll be the end of this part as well, which will leave us on Lost Vikings 2.
Viper fades in the last. Snake.
That is the end of that game. Which brings us down to our last game of this video. Which will be, so we've done RMP Racing, we've done Lost Vikings, we've done Rock and Roll Racing, we've done Blackthorn, and now we're doing Lost Vikings 2. 1997 edition of Lost Vikings 2. Lost Vikings 2, new game. Let's start. Start. Where are we? Hey. We all got to be on this, near this witch. We are in a potion. Down we go. Going down. This one. Disappear him. Back again. Need some sort of key. Is getting through small openings. Okay, so we need him over here somehow. We need you down there. And we all need to go basically down here, but we need you down here to do the attack. Something tells me that what's going to happen is he's going to be jumpable on from you. Oh no, okay. Need all these balls over here. Okay, so that's the end of the timer, but I think we'll finish this level and then that's when we'll end. You can trade by pressing and selecting. Press B over the item to give. Die, which means we need you. This will be the end. There you go. That will be the end of the Blizzard arcade game. So thank you everyone for watching. Hope you all have an amazing day. We'll be back tomorrow for a thing I think called Blueprints or something like that. The game's called. But yeah, hope you all have an amazing day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye.